So let's do some trading. I trade with small stakes. I use £10 stakes to illustrate one important point. If you cannot make money with £10 stakes, you will not make money with £100 stakes or £50 stakes or £500 stakes. You have to learn the basics. You have to understand why your trade is going right or wrong and move forward. Okay, so I use small stakes to illustrate this point. If you want to learn to trade the way I do, then make sure you click on the link in the description, or jump over to tradingonbetfair.com to learn how to trade like I do and how to make actually winning trades with any size stake. All right, but for now I'll jump in and start trading. So here we go then. We are at Haydock. There's only the first 3 horses that are of any interest here. So let's have a look and see what we can do here. As always, I'm using £10 stakes. I am trading live, so if I miss any opportunities, then that is because I'm talking and recording at the same time. So you can see this third favourite here is drifting out a fair whack. It's just crossed the 6 there, so I'm going to back this under the assumption that it's probably going to crash back down again for just for a tick or two. So I'll pop in my exit trade there just to get out, and Bob's your uncle. That's a nice easy little profit there. I'll just break that even, and so from here it is a question of, will this one here break through the 6 again? Well, I think so, but we'll have to wait and see here. And like I keep saying, I use £10 stakes here just to illustrate to you that it's not about making money in the beginning. In the beginning, it's about getting the trade right, actually making the right decisions based on what you see in the market. How much money you make has no bearing on it, because you need to learn the basics of how to read the market. So you can see the third one here is now going. Seems like it's going to be going through the 6 again. So what I can do here now is I can put a few trades in here up here in anticipation that it's going to go through the 6, and I can probably scalp out 1 or 2 ticks there again. So you can see as they're lining up here, as always, you need to keep an eye on where they're lining up, because depending on which horse you're backing or laying, that will have an effect on the price. So you can see my horse here, I think this one here, he seems like he's going to be way in the back, but we shall see. At this point, I can't really see anything that's worth betting on. There's 2 minutes left here. They are kind of lining up, so let's see. You can see this horse here seems like it is going to be touching the 6 there. So you can see there's not really anything happening. It's a very, very flat market. Apart from this third one here going up and down, up and down, there's nothing really happening with these other horses. So with 60 seconds on the clock here, before we just get these trades out, there's not much happening, as you can see, and yeah, with only 30 seconds on the clock, there's not really much I can do here. But this is an example where if you're looking at the market and going, no, you know what, there's nothing happening. Like I don't know what I'm reading into. I don't know what to do here. Don't do anything, okay? Because you don't have to trade every single race just to trade. Okay, so this is a good example where I saw an opportunity, I took it. All right. £10 stakes. Had that been a £50 stake, right now we're looking at sort of a £4 profit. Okay, so it goes to show that it's about making the right decisions. It's not about how much money you make. Make the right decision and then move forward. Okay, and because then you can slowly increase your stake to 10 to 15 to 20 to 30 to £40 stakes, and slowly but surely your profit will increase as your emotional detachment from your trade becomes greater and greater and greater. Right. So now I'll move on to the next race. I'll take my 89 pence profit, which is absolutely nothing, but it illustrates my point that you do not need don't focus on the profit, focus on getting the trade correct. That's your only mission as a beginner trader on Betfair.